The Supreme Court has raised doubts over the legality of former president, in fact, the current president Donald Trump's sweeping tariffs, a case with far-reaching implications for the global economy and a major test of presidential powers. Here's a detailed report on the same.
U.S. Supreme Court justices raised doubts Wednesday over the legality of President Donald Trump's sweeping tariffs. Conservative and liberal justices alike sharply questioned U.S. Solicitor General B. John Sauer, who defended the legal rationale employed to impose the tariffs. Trump invoked the International Emergency Economic Powers Act, or IEEPA, a law that lets a president regulate commerce in a national emergency. Conservative Justice Amy Coney Barrett questioned Sauer's claim that IEEPA's language granting presidents emergency power to regulate importation encompasses tariffs.
Can you point to any other place in the code or any other time in history where that phrase, together, regulate importation, has been used to confer tariff-imposing authority?
Liberal Justice Ketanji Brown Jackson said IEEPA was intended to limit presidential authority, not expand it.
It's pretty clear that Congress was trying to constrain the emergency powers of the president in IEEPA. So it seems a little inconsistent to say that we have to interpret a statute that was designed to constrain presidential authority, consistent with an understanding that Congress wanted the president to have essentially unlimited authority.
Conservative Chief Justice John Roberts asked Sauer whether Trump has intruded onto the authority delegated to Congress in the Constitution.
Well, it's two-facing. Yes, of course, tariffs and dealings with foreign powers, but the vehicle is imposition of taxes on Americans, and that has always been the core power of Congress.
Roberts suggested that the court could apply its major questions doctrine, that requires executive branch actions of vast economic and political significance to be clearly authorized by Congress. The arguments came in appeals by the administration after lower courts ruled Trump's unprecedented use of the law to impose tariffs exceeded his authority. U.S. Treasury Secretary Scott Bessent said he thinks the administration is winning the argument.
I think it went very well. I think the Solicitor General made a very powerful case for the need for the president to have the IEEPA powers, and I believe that the other side, in a way, fell flat on their face. But that'll be up to SCOTUS.
The Supreme Court typically takes months to issue rulings after hearing arguments, but the Trump administration has asked it to act swiftly in this case.